Winds from earlier today were kind of gusty at times in the afternoon, especially over Cameron and Wilsey counties, and they've mostly died off now. If you're headed out for a little late night snack, it's a light breeze blowing, but you see occasionally a little gust still up to about 23 miles per hour in McAllen. But tomorrow should be just about as breezy as today, especially again in the lower half of the valley. So in the morning, temperatures start off in the upper 60s and maybe some patches of clouds around. Winds stay light around sunrise, but then by noon they're getting breezy. Southeasterly winds could be gusting up to around 30 miles per hour or higher in the afternoon. And partly sunny skies, a good bet in most areas in the afternoon. The clouds should break up as the breezes increase, and most of the afternoon looks kind of like it did this afternoon out there, breezy and warm. Temperatures might be a couple degrees warmer tomorrow afternoon across the valley. Now, the satellite radar shows clouds just about everywhere across South Texas for a while today. If you look right there at the beginning of the loop, it was fairly cloudy, maybe some breaks here in the valley, but then things kind of broke up more and more as the day went on, and probably a similar scenario the next couple of days if you're anywhere in South Texas or the valley. You may see some areas of clouds in the morning, but they should thin out more and more as the day goes on. Future track shows some clouds filling in spots very late tonight across the valley, but still kind of a partly cloudy evening out there right now. And tomorrow you see, again, an in and out of some clouds, but generally it's still a fairly bright day out there. Bright enough with sunshine and warm temperatures back into the 80s, and still a little on the breezy side. The winds, like I said, probably gusting at least to 30 miles per hour or more, especially in the lower valley. And then tomorrow night looks dry. Clouds come in tomorrow night, and Future Track even tries to hint at maybe a sprinkle sometime early Saturday morning or late tomorrow night, but that's a long shot again. And then you see by Saturday morning, here we are, clouds will be around. Some of the models keep hinting that Saturday may not be as sunny as today. You see the clouds are showing up most everywhere Saturday morning and maybe a little slower to break, but I think we still end up partly sunny at some point in the afternoon. And then Sunday, to finish the weekend, you know, if you haven't done anything with your spring break and you're lucky and have the whole week off, you should definitely get outside the next few days while the weather's still nice. Sunday, again, mostly sunny skies by afternoon, kind of breezy, but temperatures mostly in the 80s each day. And the winds, Future Track, this is tomorrow, shows the winds here by afternoon, strongest in the lower valley, not super windy, but you see this color shading here, roughly about 20 to 25 miles per hour again in the afternoon, and some of that air tries to blow into the upper valley late in the day. So the next 3 days, temperatures not too hot compared to normal. Normal high is 81. We're a little warmer than that, but not getting up to that record-setting heat. Remember how hot it was in February? It seemed like we had a lot of hot temperatures. We did, because it was the hottest month on record in February in the valley. So it's a little cooler here in March. And the first 7-day forecast, not a whole lot of change in temperatures. Highs mostly in the 80s, lows mostly in the 60s. Should be a little breezy tomorrow. And again, it's Saturday. The winds may die off some by Sunday and Monday and Tuesday, but it could get rather gusty later next week with the storm system passing by to the north. But temperatures stay pretty consistent or get a little bit hotter, and virtually no chance for rain. So we'll keep tracking the breezy spring break weather. And Joelle just blew into the studio now with something good for us.